Presenting STRIFF Adjustable Laptop Stand with Free Phone Stand. This stand is available in two color variants, black and white. It has a thin, hard plastic frame that is foldable and can be carried around. This laptop stand has large cutout vents and adjustable height options that allow air to circulate from all sides. This prevents your laptop from overheating. It has 7 height adjusting options that prevents neck pain and eye strain. The laptop stand comes with a separate phone stand that gives you the convenience to keep your phone next to you. You can place laptop weighing up to 25 kilograms on this laptop stand. Inside the box, you will find a laptop stand and mobile stand. This product comes with standard brand warranty. Pay online using debit or credit card and net banking. For EMI options, replacement